The orange car can't get out. There's a big block in the way. What can we do? The little red car has an idea. She drives to the big red car and says, "Can you help us, please?" The big red car is strong. She pushes the block away. Hooray! The orange car is free. Now all the cars are together again. Beep beep. They are so happy.